ready for another girls trip, Tina.blingz birthday edition. You ready? Let's go.
Icy card.
Yeah, pineapple, coconut passion fruit.
Let me do the pineapple.
Alcohol?
Yeah. You can put the alcohol with the icy.
So right now, I got my mango icy with liquor. This is the icy. Ooh. Pretty good. Let me taste the liquor. Woo. Woo. That's good. It's giving frozen daiquiri vibes. But you can definitely tell that this icy has some type of milk in it. It definitely has milk in this icy. You want to try some of the icy? And then you gotta take a sip. Okay. Oh yeah, that's definitely milk. That's one thing that they do, like the milk. Yeah. I'll be forgetting that. And it's how I eat it. And I be like, oh sweat, it's milk. But do something good to the liquor though. You like it? We're going for a walk along the shoreline with my sister. We're going to take pictures over there where the waves are crashing up. So, you know, it looks so picturesque. But now the waves are calming down. Hey! Everybody want to say what up to the vlog? Exactly. What up to the vlog? We out here turned up. Everybody's having a good time. Yes. Everybody's here for the vlog. Tina.blingz TV. The vibes out this year. Amazing. Yellow on yellow. Oh my god, this is such a lovely walk down Old San Juan with my sister girl. Got her half and half. Look, she's half and half it up. All half and half dress, half and half. Need a hair collection unit. Yes. And it's giving yellow, yellow pastel in my cute little shoes. And of course I got the big body Telfa bag because I have a few other outfits I want to change into, and I also wanted to bring my bathing suit. So what is that beeping though? Oh, check for the GPS. Hopefully we almost there. 5 more minutes? What the fuck? Sheesh. Another needed hair collection sticker. Cause we here, baby. Yes. These chairs are really cool.
Ready? Let's go.
Alright, so we're at Danza Restaurant. It's the location. Nina is hungry. She's almost hangry.
Yo. Ah. No, I'm there. I'm there.
This is the appetizer, the menu. We tried to go to this one restaurant, but you gotta get there early. Like, period.
Oh, really?
Aioli. This is my margarita. Some calamari. And
Mojito.
Huh?
Mojito.
Mojito. What I said.
don't remember. Let me taste my little margarita. Margarita, margarita. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. It's not like the margaritas we had last night. Shit, we could have went back to that restaurant. That restaurant was good. Yeah, they.
You look so cute with the back.
Let me see. That's good. That's good.
It's 3 different sauces. This is like a mango. Which one was this one? Like a chili. It's like a chili tamarind. I don't think I like that one. This one is kind of good. And this is a mango.
Mango mayo.
Mango mayo. This is gonna be really good. Let's try it. I'm gonna try this one first. Sauce.
Let's see. I knew it. I know my sauces. That one was really good.
You love it?
I love it.
It's about right.
It's doing and needs to zo. It's good. It's sweet. It wasn't gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more chili than sweet, but it's more sweet than chili. My turn.
Let's try this one.
I mean, this is tasty. I like that.
Let's try this one.
Let's get it. Oh. It's real sweet. It kind of tastes like a, when I first put it in my mouth, you know, like French toast mix, but then it tastes like some type of sweetness with it. Like, I don't like that. Or maybe the syrup from your French toast.
Yeah, so I have the fish tacos. And then Nita has the shrimp. We're gonna actually share.
Yeah.
I'll let y'all know.
I'll let y'all know how it is. If it's good, if it's not, why I get it again, what I not. I don't know. Hold on. It's already on. So I'm gonna try the queso now. Let me see if we could get a cheese pull for the camera. Ooh. Sheesh. Alright, where's the cutoff? Damn. How is it? It's good. The sausage is kind of salty though. But okay, so
people are lining up to see pictures. Don't even need to be that close. It's the restaurant we just had. Thank you. And it's right here on this beautiful blog. Y'all know I love my teas, huh? Tropical Delight. And then they have a little station over here where you can smell the teas. I'm gonna get this from my mama because she loves vanilla and she always complains how expensive it is. So let's see if this is gonna do the job. And I'm sure pina colada.
So ready to try these famous pina colada. I'm not a big pina colada fan, but I like pina colada, so we're gonna see. You ready? Cause I'm ready. Oh, Shanita's favorite vacation. Oh no, y'all not in the camera. It's facing this way.
I'm wearing my vacation.
Oh yes, the tan.
Yeah. Get in.
It's a little pina colada. Now, famous pina colada, I don't know about that.
I don't know about famous, but it's definitely a pina colada.
Right, I know.
And it's cute, but
it's cute. Like
famous?
it's cute for right now. It's, I know everybody can go more fast, but I'm drinking my pina colada.
Right. Yeah.
Pina colada girls. Oh, this is a cute little picture. Ooh. Back in the pool with the vibes. Y'all know I'm gonna link the bathing suit down below so you can get yours. Cause it's giving summertime. Summertime vibes. Let's open a little bottle of sparkling wine. Wine. It's the wine for me. This one's gonna do the same thing. Woo! That beef hold me up. Cheers. This stuff was so good. I had to get it again. And again. And again. Now we just gotta wait for Nita to come downstairs. She packing her bag. Because unfortunately we're leaving tomorrow. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna leave. Like I need at least 4 more days. But this is supposed to be a quick vacation, so we can't get too much into it. I need to go pick up the cage and the little court though. So I'm gonna enjoy the pool a little bit more. I took some pics. So of course I'll be inserting the pics into this video. So there you got it. There you have it. Okay. I'm ready for dinner. Dinner, ladies. Ooh. Oh my god, I get water in my coochie. So we're off to Serafina. Oh my god, it's so loud. Hold on. Alright, like I was saying, we're on our way to Serafina, and literally it's right around the corner from our hotel, which is so convenient. It's a little strip. They have a lot of bars and restaurants. This is actually, wait, we passed it? No, yeah, the place that we went yesterday for my birthday. It's the street. Casa Del Patron.
Yes.
We went there.
That place is so perfect.
Right. So.
I was just like, let's just add.
Right, and it was open surprisingly, which was dope. And we was able to stay there until like
after, right? Like we shut that shit down.
Okay, so you know I always shut it down. If I'm gonna go somewhere, I'm gonna shut it down.
Yeah.
Look at this man. Is he gonna look back? Hi! Oh, is he catching up in the vlog? Like, I know you're gonna look back.
Exactly.
But let me get my face in the vlog just in case I do see this one day. I'll know that was me for sure. So this is Serafina. And literally, I forgot I've been here before the last time we came. But we just had got pizza. We just came for
like
dinner.
A late lunch.
A late lunch, facts.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
No line.
Yes, it's no line.
It's risky. Hi guys.
OTD. Outfit of the night, rather. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Get into it.
I want an OTD.
Yes. Okay.
Let's see who can finish their drink first.
Not me.
No.
Got a funny story about that.
Let's see who can go.
Oh,
Yes,
no,
grandma was with. Yes. Say hello to the vlog. Say what up to the vlog. Did sister say? I know
Hello?
that's right.
Oh, hey.
Who that? Why you up there with Pootie? Pootie Cat.
Oh, Lily.
Oh, boo. Lily. She's so happy. Yo, all right. So let's see.
Aw.
Let's just go.
She's so happy. You just got up there?
Is that what?
They said all the orders. I'm looking at the Branzino. It's this. No, that's
your
a
phone. Need a hair collection.
need a hair collection.
Get that.
Holy.
Did that go Tina.blingz get 10% deal?
Hey, y'all better go. Y'all better get it.
All right, so we're gonna have the Serafina champagne, but with rum and
Oh, we didn't order the calamari.
a margarita pizza.
When she comes.
Ooh, this is the Serafina champagne. Cheers, sister.
Yes.
Cheers. And then too, he not too like close.
Ooh. And that was the big thing from before.
Ooh, the pizza.
Thank you.
Hold on, wait. What the fuck? It's a margarita. It's not a margarita pizza. What?
It's that basil. What else on it?
So this is the margarita pizza. It has olives on it, basil, and no marinara sauce. It's given regular pizza, and I'm from New York, so I can tell you what pizza is supposed to come like. But we still gonna eat it though. Bon appetit, ho.
It's good. Yes.
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 The drink is good.
We really like it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it definitely still tastes the same. Happy about that.
This is very good.
Thank you.
And the fried calamari. Enjoy, ladies.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got pizza. Enjoying
Yes.
it?
I'm loving it.
You love it?
I love
You
it.
love it?
Definitely loving it. I'm not gonna hold you.
Take some of this calamari. Baby. That little
Really
kick.
good. And seasoned.
Get the calamari.
Next is where she does
Condado Beach. Hey y'all, we're on our way to La Placita. We're actually gonna walk there. It's gonna be about a 15-minute walk. It's not. Alright, motorcycle gang. I guess they're going to La Placita too.
Exactly.
But we're gonna do like a 13 to 15-minute walk to La Placita. It's really not that bad to walk out here. So if you are gonna walk, be safe, be aware, because anybody got time for that? Period. I see how La Placita because I ain't have my camera out like a victim. Like a victim? No.
No.
Let's go. Cheers. Underneath the bridge.
Underneath the
Underneath.
bridge. I
But
remember
wait,
this. I
we was-
stayed at the Wave Hotel.
Why we always underneath some bridge? Remember that bridge in Atlanta?
Fact.
We was underneath that.
I feel like that's just our shtick.
Yeah. This is cute.
One thing, La Placita
Yo.
is not the same. I'm not gonna hold you.
The pandemic really did something to La Placita because I came here not too long ago and this shit was bumping and jumping. But no lie, that guy did tell us. He was like, yeah, we went to La Placita, and it wasn't all of that popping. It wasn't all of that popping, but we still gonna have a good time regardless. Regardless, the Hornet sisters is gonna do it.
It's T-Day.
It's T-Day on my B-Day. Hey, hey, hey. Get into the chain, because she's a boss. She's a blessed boss.
That's bosses only.
You feel me?
Only.
But that's so crazy. Like, I'm really gagging because I'm like, yo, like this spot right here, Coors Light, like we had so much fun in this. But I guess since the pandemic, like you can't have people so close.
And with brand recognition, because remember the lady from Curls? Where I was, and that was the whole thing, so I could see
the brand.
that
So it's like
the brand.
you start like, oh, y'all don't give a fuck about
exactly.
Wow.
Yup.
Brand power is the buying power, boo boo. And if we gotta close down, look at this. Giving 42nd Street vibes. I wish I could see the first one.
That's the only thing I could think with them. Because wow, it's a nice.
It's like smaller clubs. Even this club was open. I went in there. Cause I'm like, y'all remember that shit was lit. The Coors Club is. I'm gagged.
That's their whole thing.
But at the same time, I'm not sad, but I'm just slightly gagged because we just got to sit down and enjoy our situation. Like, we have drinks.
We started early.
Really early. We're gonna start.
You guys have to start early.
Super early
like,
tomorrow.
If you want to have a good time, start early so you could do everything you have on your list. Like, you won't miss a beat.
Facts. Because what time we got up? Like 8. I put my alarm for 8:15. And then we started slowly waking up and we was fully up by like 8:30 something, whatever.
And on the beach by 9.
Facts. And tomorrow we're gonna try to wake up for like 5.
Workout.
Because we want to catch the sunrise for the girls.
Oh yeah, we definitely gotta look up.
I am gonna catch the sunrise. We have to do it. We really have to do it, Nina. Like, that's one thing that you have did on your vacations that it's just like I'm so lustfulness for. It's like
oh
I
yes.
need to do a sunrise.
The sunrise
oh my God.
is at everything.
I feel like I haven't did a sunrise since like a cruise. That was the last time I did like a sunrise situation. And that had to be like,
try to get a
not even the 2014 cruise. I feel like the cruise before that one. So that probably was like 08 or something. Whatever that was. So yeah, we're gonna find a spot to go to have some drinks, turn up, hopefully they got some bomb music, and then continue the night. It looked like Captain Rum. That spot look kind of popping. This spot look kind of dead over here, like the casino. But it might have some little poppies in there.
I thought that was a liquor store.
I thought it was a liquor store too, but no. And then this spot over here down Q.
Oh, yeah, it's like a little fake casino. Well, let's go down here, Captain Rum, and make our way back.
Okay. So let's go to Captain Rum and see what the tea is. Or they just get random drinks from over there too.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hold you. That little spot that we was walking towards did look good too.
And they had some little honeys in there. So do you want to go there? We could go there and then we could walk around. Yeah, no, we could definitely go to that first spot.
Yeah. And then I mean we could always go somewhere else.
Look at the green tree.
Like yes.
It's Tina.blingz. Give me against the plants. It's me. Oh wait, the car. Neither here, don't care. Yes, that's Nita herself, the hairstylist. Get into it, it's right over here. So if you want to take a picture and make sure everything is Gucci, this is your girl.
Do it, do it, do it, do it. Rock into it.
It's the Captain Rum.
Like,
oh, look at that. That's cute.
yeah, she's a YouTuber.
Are you?
Yes, I do.
Hey, YouTube.
Yes, let's celebrate. What's up, Tina.blingz TV?
Hit them round.
For the ladies. Yeah.
Hey, hey. Oh. Hey, 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 hey. Woo. New York and
Jamaica finish her drink.
I'm taking my shit with me.
Ooh, so we're leaving. I know, as you are, booked and busy. We're leaving La Placita. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I still have a little bit of my drink left. We have abundance of drinks left in the freaking hotel. I'm hoping that we could hop in the pool when we get back, but it's not a guarantee because of the time. They say it closed at 10, but last time we was able to stay open until 11. So let's see if we could do it today. I hope so, because it's a guy. So I'm really hoping so that he's gonna like dip a little bit. Just a little bit, right.